how to allow or block app permissions to access motion and fitness data on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we go down. Now in here, tap on Privacy and Security. Next, in here, we then scroll down and then tap on Motion and Fitness. And here it said, Motion and Fitness Tracking stores data to your device which can be used to estimate your body motion, mobility, step counts, stairs climb, and more. And down here are a list of apps that can access your motion and fitness data. So here's the apps that have requested access to your motion and fitness activity will appear here. So simply tap on the toggle button to allow apps to have access to health and fitness tracking, as well as a list of apps will appear in the list here. If previously there are apps requesting to motion and fitness data, it will appear in the list here. And you can tap on an app to grant or deny the app permission to use the data in here. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.